Tuesday, August 13th, 2024. Saints Pontian and Hippolytus. Focus. Who is the greatest in the kingdom of heaven? Intimacy with God, the very purpose of our life, and receiving His best, both depend on the attitude of the heart. We should be like small children, innocent, trusting, dependent, unspoiled, transparent, so that anyone can see through us, nothing hidden. A child's face and attitude says it all. Like children, we should be confident that we are not alone, but protected by God. Only when we accept that God delights in us can we begin to grasp the gospel and enter communion with Him. Jesus regarded Himself as a Son of God and addressed God as Father. He knew the key to a true relationship with God. He looked to the Father as a child looks to a parent, with total trust and the simple expectation of receiving love. To be Jesus' disciples, we must learn to do the same. It is not easy. It strikes at the core of our pride. We like to be independent and self-reliant. But these are barriers that blind us to God's presence. There is much for us to relearn. We cannot earn grace or succeed by our own efforts. Jesus says, we must change our attitude and become like little children. Such are the greatest in the kingdom of heaven. For adults, this requires humility, being poor in spirit. Fruit. Whoever humbles himself like this child is the greatest in the kingdom of heaven.